What's up, AirkewldArmy? It's your friend Pete with Airkewld with the third video of a new series we're putting together showcasing the stance of classic Volkswagens and the specifications to achieve something similar. Because we all have different tastes, this might not be your jam, but rest assured, the pros can help. Today we're showcasing a 1960 Karmann Ghia out of Florida that is equipped with air ride that allows for adjustments all the way up or all the way down or anywhere in between. To achieve a similar stance under your pre-69 Ghia, a complete air ride kit with a 4-inch narrowed beam, drop spindle and disc brake combination is required up front. In the rear, the client chose a long axle, short spline transaxle from a 69 Beetle and disc brakes. Wheels are 17 by 7 all around with 205/40/17 tires front and back. Back spacing on these wheels are 5.5 inches all the way around and are MP Repo Fuchs in a chrome finish. The suspension package and brakes can be built by the pros in a couple different ways. Individual parts and products as the budget allows, complete air ride kits along with a complete disc brake package, or the pros can assemble a complete front end, rotor to rotor, complete transaxle, rotor to rotor, ready for you to slap in. All these specs can be found in the credits at the end of the film, as well as in the description below. What do you think? Do you like the stance? Please take the time to comment and like this video.